Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money by creating and selling your own online course, even if you've never done it before. I'll walk you step by step through how to record your course using Wondershare DemoCreator and how to turn your knowledge into a passive income stream. Whether you want to teach graphic design, productivity, coding, or even cooking, you can create a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, Skillshare, or even your own website. So grab your topic idea and let's get started building your first course with DemoCreator.
You'll find the download link in the video description. Just click on it, download the software, and install it. Once installed, go ahead and launch the application. Now let's take a look at the interface. The main dashboard is clean and user-friendly. You'll find multiple features like video recorder, video editor, AI clip generator, auto subtitle, text-to-speech, AI text-based editing, and an AI voice changer. On the left side, there's also access to the online version and DemoCreator Academy for tutorials and learning resources. Let's begin with the video recorder feature. When you click on it, you'll be asked what you'd like to record: your screen, webcam, audio, gameplay, virtual avatar, or even a video presentation. For this example, I'll choose to record the screen. Once selected, a recording taskbar appears where you can choose your screen area, set recording presets, enable smart zoom, cursor highlights, hotkeys, AI voice cleaner, and more. In the center, there's a red record button to start recording. You can also enable or disable your webcam, mic, and system audio before beginning. Click the red button to start, a timer will appear, and your screen will start recording. While recording, you can draw on the screen, write text, add arrows, and use different shapes like circles or rectangles. When you're finished, just click the stop button. Once the recording is done, it will prompt you to proceed to advanced editing. Click on Advanced Editing, and the video editor will open. Simply drag and drop your recording into the timeline to begin editing. Now let's go over some of the editing features. First, there's the template section, where you can choose from dozens of ready-made video templates. Then we have annotations, which let you add arrows, shapes, highlights, and even animated elements like a magical heart pack. Next are the video effects, where you can apply green screen effects, AI portrait mode, blur backgrounds, mirror, mosaic, and more. There's also an audio effects section that allows you to clean your audio using AI noise removal, change voices, or remove vocals from background audio. Then we have cursor effects, where you can highlight your cursor, add click rings, and spotlight effects to help guide your viewers' attention. The pan and zoom feature lets you add dynamic camera movements like zoom in, zoom out, or pan to corners. You can also add smooth transitions between clips, fun stickers, sound effects, and music to enhance your videos. Now let's talk about DemoCreator's AI-powered features. One of the best tools is auto subtitles using speech-to-text. Simply add your video, drag it into the timeline, and click on the speech-to-text option.
Welcome to this video news template. Create videos to report breaking news. The video starts here. Add your channel's logo and improve the identity of your channel. Tell key information, including who, what, when, where.
Choose Auto Subtitle, select the spoken language in your video, and hit Start. Within seconds, DemoCreator will generate subtitles automatically.
Welcome to this video news template. Create videos to report breaking news. The video starts here. Add your channel's logo and improve the identity of your channel. Tell key information, including who, what, when, where, and why of the story. Use clear and
You can fully customize these subtitles, change the font, size, color, style, and even apply subtitle templates to match your video theme.
Welcome to this video news template. Create videos to report breaking news. The video starts here. Add your channel's logo and improve the identity of.
Another amazing feature is text-to-speech. If you have a script or written content but no voiceover, this tool can convert your text into speech using AI-generated voices. Just type your text, choose a voice from the list, and it will turn your text into a voice or even a video. This is super helpful for creators who prefer not to record their own voice. Additionally, there's AI text-based editing, which is perfect if you want to transcribe or translate your video into another language. For example, you can convert English subtitles into Korean. Just click on Text-based editing, choose your source and target languages, and the tool will transcribe and translate your video in seconds. You can edit the translated text if needed, then export it to the timeline and continue editing as usual. This makes it easy to create multilingual content with minimal effort. Once your video is complete, click on the Export button. Here, you can choose from multiple video formats like MP4, MKV, and more. You can also select the aspect ratio, resolution, and duration. DemoCreator also supports batch exporting and gives you the option to export videos directly for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Vimeo. With just a few clicks, your professional-looking video will be ready to share.
Download DemoCreator using the link in the description and take the first step toward turning your skills into income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your course idea in the comments. I'd love to see what you're working on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.